What's going on, YouTube? I actually got out of work early today because I got a couple side jobs I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be working on my cousin's STI Hawkeye, so I'm doing axles on it, and I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be doing to it. First, making sure the tie rods are good. Gotta go get my tools. And then we're gonna go ahead and take that cotter pin off from the lower ball joint. Little 19 ball joint nut. Oh, and also the axle nut is 32 millimeters. It also has this washer, so don't forget it. And now I'll hammer it right there. There we go. We'll see what that does. Oh yeah, that feels so much better. Now that that's out the way, I brought me a little center punch. I'm just gonna try to be gentle with it, but I'm gonna try to loosen it up because I know it's pretty down. There it is. Now it's loose. All we gotta do is since I still got, well, I definitely made a big ass mess. Forgot about that. So for you guys not to forget, I'm showing you that. There we go. Now we'll just put this thing back in this tight little hole. Tight little hole. Now we go back through as reverse order. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty pissed off. My fucking floor's dirty now. But I should have known better. It is what it is. Now we're gonna put, oh, can't forget the washer. Don't forget the washer, guys. And I love doing torque specs, so we're definitely gonna do that. I need my laptop though. So to tighten the axle, we're looking at 162 foot-pounds. 162. But for that that lower ball joint right there, T3 is 28 foot-pounds. So we're gonna do exactly 28 foot-pounds and put that cotter pin back in. T3, 28 foot-pounds. There you go, 28 foot-pounds. £28 exactly, and we'll just go enough to where the hole lines up pretty good, and you put that cotter pin in. Alright guys, so my phone actually died after putting that cotter pin in, but after that I just did the axle nut, tying it to 162 foot-pounds, and did the same thing to the other side. And of course it did fix my cousin's vibration upon accelerating. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep making videos, so like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope it helped.